This is going to be an optional part if you want to get a web URL and also get more familiar with GitHub. So GitHub is a place where developers regularly share code, upload code to, and work with code. So getting familiar with GitHub is really super important as a web developer because it's used in a lot of companies, a lot of businesses in order to share work. GitHub you can join for free, and with a free account, you can create unlimited repositories. You can have up to 3 collaborators with a private repository, also 2,000 action minutes a month, and 500 megabytes of GitHub pages storage. So basically what all of that means is that they give you a website, a web URL that you can sign up for free, and also you can play around with your code, update the code. So if you don't have an account already, just go ahead and sign up. It's once again free to sign up, and this is just a suggestion if you do want to get the web URL. And for this lesson and the next lesson, we are going to be looking at GitHub pages. So I'm going to just sign into my existing account and use a sign in. And once you've logged in and created your account, go to start a project. So the web URL for this is github.com/new, and this is where you can create brand new repositories. So give your repository a name. So I'll call it resume, and I'll call it resume 2 because I already have one called resume. And just set it to be public because the public repositories are the only ones that you can create as GitHub pages. And then at the bottom, just click that create repository button. And what this will do is this is going to create a repository for your web page, for your GitHub pages. So just at the bottom here where it's got the quick setup, you can do creating a new file. And this is an HTML file that you can create. So going back into what we had before as resume, copy the HTML content, paste it into the edit new file. You can preview it to see what it's going to look like. And once you've pasted it, you need to commit the file. So every time you add new content and up new content, there's ability to track what's been happening, and that's why you'd always need to commit and add in comments to indicate what the reason was and what was happening and why you added the new code. Also create a brand new page. So this will be the index.html. So it's going to create a brand new index.html page. Click commit new file. And so now when you have a file in there, you can go under settings, and right near the bottom of settings, there's GitHub pages. If you want to find out more about the GitHub pages, you can there. Under source, select the master branch. This will reload the page, go back down to the bottom where the GitHub pages is. And what this will do is it'll say once you've selected a branch, your site is ready to be published. It'll give you a web URL to your site. So you can click the web page and you see your your website content is now online at this URL. So you can copy the URL and share it with your friends. Congratulations, you are now online with your HTML code that you've been working with. And in the next lesson, we're going to take this one step further. We'll make some updates to that code so that you can share it and share it properly to the world. And don't forget, share it with me, share it with everyone, share it all over the place because now you have a live URL to share your work.